Hey Shielders, and welcome to our second YouTube video. Today we'll be covering dual liquidity mining on Shield. Here we can see in the center the private pool, public pool and liquidators, the key participants in maintaining the Shield ecosystem. It's worth noting that while the platform is being maintained by these key roles, there are other players in the field participating in value creation and overall supervision. Shield's P2DP, peer-to-dual pools, is a new paradigm for bootstrapping liquidity. It fundamentally addresses LP counterparty risk, leading in guaranteed on-chain liquidity and smooth trading performance. The dual liquidity pool allows the private pool, LP2, to hedge the market-making risk, while the low-risk pool, LP1, can accommodate huge liquidity to guarantee abundant liquidity on the market. In essence, the broker can bring traders, the traders buy options being sold by the private pool, LP2. If the LP2 cannot cover the position profit, it's then passed over to the public pool, our liquidity mining arena, which means a portion of the funding fees from the position are subsequently passed on to the public pool liquidity miners as profit. This is just one minor way in which public pool liquidity providers can earn. The other is from farming incentives. More on that shortly. It's basically provide stablecoins to earn SLD via competitive APY in the market. Now, keeping all that in mind, let's head over to the public pool contributing page. So we connect your wallet via MetaMask. And then, as you can see, the APY is currently around 30%. This does vary, and rewards are given at a block rate that is proportional to your share of stablecoin contribution multiplied by 2 SLD. There are around 28,800 blocks on the Binance Smart Chain per day, leaving a total of 57,600 SLD for mining rewards. The process of contributing to the public pool can be summed up as deposit stablecoin. At the moment, only USDT is available. And then we receive a retoken based on a formula that calculates our contribution relative to the current pool. Click deposit, and then we confirm via MetaMask. Successful. Now there's insufficient balance there. Now let's head over to the mining page to lock in our re-USDT. Scroll down to view your balance. As you can see, I've already locked in some, but we're pretty keen to add some more. So I'll click on lock. You'll notice I only deposited 8, but the balance is 16. So I already had 8 re-USDT sitting there. I click on lock. And minimum 10, maximum 16, we'll do 16. Locking retokens. Confirm. Successful, and that's it. You just sit back and enjoy that good APY as it works for you to earn SLD. So before I close this up, I must note that each deposit made to the public pool, your entire amount will be frozen for 14 days. The available amount represents the 30% of rewards that you can claim immediately, while the unactivated amount sits in limbo until you click claim. moving them over to the 180-day vesting slot. And with that, I'll leave you to reap the liquidity mining SLD rewards. Thanks for joining us.